What if I told you that the color of your eyes could reveal hidden secrets about your body, your health, and even the way people see you? Sounds like something straight out of a movie, right? But hold on, because some of these facts are backed by real science, and one of them might describe you perfectly. Stay with me until the end, because the last eye color has a surprising advantage that most people have never heard about. Let's start with the most common eye color in the world: brown eyes. Nearly 8% of people have some shade of brown eyes, from light honey to deep chocolate. But brown eyes aren't just common. They're actually packed with melanin, a natural pigment that helps shield your eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays. Think of melanin as built-in sunglasses that your body created for you. This means people with brown eyes may be less sensitive to bright sunlight and may have a slightly lower risk of certain light-related eye conditions. And here's something fascinating. Researchers found that many people unconsciously associate brown eyes with trustworthiness and warmth. Ever notice how some people instantly seem friendly even before they say a word? Sometimes, eye color may play a small role in that first impression. Now let's talk about blue eyes. Blue eyes don't actually contain blue pigment. Instead, they appear blue because of the way light scatters inside the iris. Similar to why the sky looks blue. Pretty amazing, is it? But here's where things get interesting. Since blue eyes contain less melanin, tend to be more sensitive to bright environments. That's why many blue-eyed people squint when stepping outside on sunny days. Some studies have even suggested that people with blue eyes might tolerate certain types of pain better than people with darker eyes. Scientists still aren't completely sure why, but genetics may have something to do with it. Wait a second, though. Before you start breaking out your eye color, there's another group that's even rarer: green eyes. Only about 2% of the world's population has naturally green eyes. That makes them one of the rarest eye colors on the planet. Green eyes are created by a unique combination of low melanin levels, a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. Don't worry about the complicated name. It simply means that light bounces around inside the eye in a special way, creating that striking green appearance. Because green eyes are so uncommon, surveys often rank them as the most attractive eye color. But being rare also comes with a downside. Green-eyed individuals can sometimes experience increased sensitivity to strong sunlight. And then there are hazel eyes. Hazel eyes are basically the shapeshifters of eye colors. Depending on the lighting, they can appear green, gold, brown, or even amber. Have you ever looked at a picture and wondered why someone's eyes look completely different from a photo? Chances they had hazel eyes. The uneven distribution of melanin causes hazel eyes to reflect light differently throughout the day. It's almost like carrying a natural filter with you wherever you go. Now here's something many people don't know. Eye color can sometimes provide clues about certain health risks. People with lighter-colored eyes may have a slightly higher chance of developing conditions related to UV exposure because they have less protective pigment. Meanwhile, people with darker eyes may have a greater tendency to develop cataracts later in life. Don't panic. Eye color alone doesn't determine your future health. Lifestyle choices, regular eye exams, and protecting your eyes from excessive sunlight matter much more. Okay, here's the part you've been waiting for. Can eye color tell us anything about personality? Well, not exactly. Your eye color does decide whether you're smart, funny, kind, or successful. But researchers have noticed some interesting patterns. Some studies suggest people with darker eyes may react more quickly in sports requiring fast reflexes, while lighter-eyed individuals sometimes perform better in activities that demand strategic thinking over longer periods. Again, these are trends, not rules. There are countless exceptions. At the end of the day, your eye color is like a tiny message from ancestors. It's a unique combination of genetics, biology, and history that makes you who you are. Whether your eyes are blue, brown, green, hazel, gray, or somewhere in between, they don't define your lids. But they do tell a fascinating story about where you came from and how your body interacts with the world around you. So now I have to ask, what color are your eyes? Have people ever guessed your personality just by looking at them? If you could choose any eye color